Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by stopping OneDrive and protecting any unsynced work. This prevents accidental data loss. Once done, open Run with Win+R and type the official reset command. This clears local app state and cache, which is often the root cause. Make sure to keep your account credentials handy, because after the reset, OneDrive will prompt you to sign in again. Act quickly but carefully. Backing up first lets you restore files if the app fails to rematch them automatically. Now execute the reset command and watch for the OneDrive icon to disappear and reappear. This signals a successful state clear. If the icon does not return within a minute, manually relaunch the OneDrive. EXE binary to force startup. Should the app still refuse to open, uninstall via settings, then reinstall using Windows Update or the latest installer. This replaces corrupted binaries and service entries. Throughout, make sure Windows is up to date, because mismatched builds or pending updates can block OneDrive. Finally, sign back into OneDrive and set your sync preferences and folder location. This restores the connection to cloud storage. Let the app complete initial indexing and watch for green checks or sync arrows. If files remain stuck, inspect Event Viewer for OneDrive or Sync Engine errors to pinpoint the cause. If the problem continues, run system integrity checks like SFC and CHKDSK. These fix OS level issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.